In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm section at the top on the left. Then before doing anything, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust all of those however you want to. Then go back and tap on this plus at the bottom on the right to add new alarm by firstly selecting time and hitting OK. As you can see, my new alarm was successfully added. Now you can customize it however you want to. At the top, select Add Label and name it. Then saucer misclick, then hit OK. Now tap on days of the week that you wish to set up, and to exclude some dates, use this plus next to pause alarm to pick a date and OK to save it. You can remove it by tapping on the remove button right next to it. Then click on this little bell and tap on one of those sound sources like YouTube Music to log in into your account and use music from it. You can also select sounds instead, tap on Add New and pick any song from your device by tapping on the chosen song. If you don't want to do that too, go back and simply pick one of those sounds, like for example neon. Then, by using those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine, you can enable or disable haptic feedback or add or remove your alarm from this routine. Finally, to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, click at the top right corner and then bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!